The Gillies Nature Tract is an 84.5-acre property with a mixture of upland forest and provincially significant wetland. The parcel is part of Knapdale Woods and the Bobcat Swamp Complex. George Gillies and his father have been caring for the property for several decades. The property had been the site of some nature studies, bird and butterfly counts, and tours by groups such as the West Elgin Nature Club. When the time came for George and his wife Louise and his sister Marjorie Prixitis to determine the property's future, they chose to donate it to the Thames Talbot Land Trust. We asked George to tell us about some of his favorite spots on the property and his wishes for the future. Here are some of the things he told us about. Nature walks can be very interesting, and the family and their friends enjoyed many wonderful times, along with their faithful black lab companions, exploring this fascinating property. It's very diverse because it is part of a much larger forest and wetland complex, providing habitat for many species. Some of their favorite aspects include the wildlife that live on the property, including birds such as pileated woodpeckers, red-tailed hawks, blue herons, green herons, ducks, geese, warblers, including the hooded warbler, scarlet tanagers, cardinals, wild turkeys, pheasants, woodcocks, quail, and robins. Turtles, snakes, salamanders, frogs, toads, crayfish, beaver, muskrat, rabbits, coyotes, and deer also inhabit the area. George also mentioned the many tree species found on the property, including sassafras, cherry, maple, oak, beech, cottonwood, and basswood. The tallest tree on the property is a tulip tree located near the edge of the swamp. Looking to the future, George hopes that the Gillies Nature Tract, under the care of the Thames Talbot Land Trust, will be a lasting contribution to preserving a healthy environment. George believes we need more natural areas preserved to provide habitat protection and contribute to the biodiversity of Canada and our planet. We couldn't agree more. Help protect nature forever by supporting the Vision 2020 campaign.